Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the CyberFlix TV application to your Firestick or Android TV. In this app you'll find thousands or tens of thousands of newest movies and TV shows, even those movies which are only available in the movie theaters. And it's totally free to watch, so that's why I believe this app is even better than Netflix. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get CyberFlix TV to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we need to go to search on your device. So open up that search bar, and there, in the search, we'll need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, now Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which we need to get to your device. But after we got Downloader, it is not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings by clicking on that gear button right here, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. So we open it, and here we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. We just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and there, at that point, you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if we go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, we'll have to locate Downloader, which is right here, and make sure to turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick or your Android TV, of course. Open it, and there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Spain right now, or Belgium, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. As you can see, I already connected to Spain, so that happens super fast. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we need to go to the list of apps on your device and of course open up Downloader. Then wait until the app loads for you. And then here, a super important step. So on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, you need to click on Home, and here in that search bar, we will enter a code, which is going to be 2890 and 7. So once again, your code is 28907, and then we have to click on Go. And while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has opened, we just scroll down a bit until we find a list of categories. And from the list, we have to click on Movies and TV. So we click on it, and then a list of apps is going to open up, which we have to scroll down until we find the Cyberflix TV, because that's exactly what we're looking for. So click on Cyberflix TV right here. And now a new web page should open up. Yep, we also have to scroll it down. Keep scrolling until you find the Download for Fire TV or Android TV button, which is right here. Now we click on it, and in a couple of seconds the download is going to start. Usually that doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then click on Install and wait until Cyberflix is installed to your Firestick or your Android TV, depending on the device type you are using. After that, do not click on Open yet, instead press on Done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So we click on Delete and then Delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary installation files from the Firestick and save you some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't really have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Now, once again, we have to go to the list of apps on your device, open it, scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find Cyberflix, which we just installed. Now, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and then press on Move to Front. This way, Cyberflix is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.